not sleepy and there is no place I'm going to. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song to me. In that jingle jangle morning, I come following you. Though I know that evening's empire has driven into sand, vanished from my hand, left me blindly here to stand, but still not sleeping. My weariness amazes me, I'm branded on my feet. I have no one to me, and the ancient empty streets are deaf for dreaming. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song to me. I'm not sleepy and there is no place I'm going to. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song to me. That jingle jangle morning, I come following you. And take me on a trip upon your magic swirling ship. My senses have been stripped, my hands can feel to grip, my toes too numb to step. Wait only for my boot heels to go wandering. I am ready to go anywhere, I'm ready for to fade into my own parade. Cause your dancing spell my way, I promise to go under it. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song to me. I'm not sleepy and there is no place I'm going to. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song to me. In that jingle jangle morning, I come following you. Take me disappearing through the smoke rings of my mind, down the foggy ruins of time, far past the frozen leaves, the haunted, frightened trees, far from the twisted reach of crazy sorrow. Yes, it ends beneath the diamond sky with one hand waving free, silhouetted by the seas, circled by the circus sands, with all memory and fate driven deep beneath the waves. Let me forget about today until tomorrow. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song to me. I'm not sleepy and there is no place I'm going to. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song to me. And I jingle jangle morning, I'll come following you. I'm out here 1,000 miles from my home, walking the road all the men have gone down. I'm seeing a new world of people and things. They're paupers and peasants and princes and kings. Hey, Woody Guthrie, I wrote you a song about a funny old world that's coming along. Seems sick and it's hungry, it's tired and it's torn. It looks like it's died and it's hardly been born. Hey, Woody Guthrie, but I know that you know all the things that you've been saying and many times more. I'm singing you the song, but I can't sing you no, 'cause there's not things that you've done. Here's to Cisco and Sonny and Leadbelly too, and to all the good people that travel with you. Here's to the hearts and the hands of the men that come with the dust and are gone with the wind. I'm leaving tomorrow, but I could leave today. Somewhere down the road someday, the very last thing that I'd want to do is to say I've been hitting some hard traveling.